Hey guys, it's Debbie, and today I'm so excited to share with you my most important travel tip of all time. You always need an extra bag. This is our brand new Puddle Jumper Backpack Packable. Look at how it folds up. I throw this right in my carry-on, or you can attach it to your tote bag. It's the most versatile bag you will ever use. I use it going down to the pool, to the beach, out on daily excursions, and even for my souvenirs. You are gonna want this immediately. It's gonna make your life so much better. This is what I would pack if I was headed to the pool or down to the beach. I've got my book and sunglasses, flip-flops, my hat, a magazine, my swimsuit towel, water bottle, and even my transport envelopes, which I put hair ties in. I have a little touch-up makeup for when I'm headed to lunch later, and even my sunscreen to have extra for the family when we need it. And now, this is how I would pack going out for the day on an excursion. Got my jean jacket, my wallet, readers, my sunglasses, got my transport with a little touch-up makeup and additional sunscreen, got some books and maps and restaurants to go to, we've got tissue, gum, snacks, and a charger, and of course my camera. So this is how I pack up the souvenirs that I've collected on my trip. So you can see I've gathered quite a few things. I do like to put my crossbody in my packable backpack when I'm heading home. And then I also, as a travel tip, like to use my t-shirts to protect any of the souvenirs that I've gathered along the way. And these are just 3 ways that I like to pack my Puddle Jumper Backpack Packable. How would you pack yours? We'd love to hear. Comment below.